Hello students, myself Mrs. Sabina Pathan welcomes you all to my YouTube channel SVP class. Dear students, in today's lecture we are going to study third function of management, that is staffing, with its meaning and definition. So do watch the entire video and make your learning so interesting. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel SVP class. Now let us begin with today's lecture. As you can see on screen, among the 6 management functions, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating and controlling, staffing is the third management function, or we can say it is third step in the process of management, followed by planning and organizing. Staffing is the process of finding the right employee with appropriate skill, qualification, and experience and recruiting them to fill a position or a job. Here, as you can see in the image, from the number of candidates, the best one is selected for the job. So, it is the function of execution according to plan and organizational structure. Let us study the meaning of staffing. Staffing is the process of attracting, recruiting, selecting, remunerating, developing, retaining, appraising, and placing the best workforce. Here, attracting means the employee must have interest to work with organization. Recruiting means finding new people to join a company or organization. Selecting means selection of best candidate based on skill, knowledge and experience. Remunerating means fixation of salary or wages of the employee as per his role or position in the organization. Developing, it means your employees' performances are evaluated and accordingly they are promoted. Retaining, it means to retain or stay in the organization for a longer time. Appraising, here employees' performances are appraised and if required, the organization gives training to them. And placing is the action to put something carefully in a particular position. The overall growth and success of every venture is based on appropriateness of staffing function. The more emphasis is given on managing human and not material or financial resources. Here, organization need to follow the process of appointing employees because overall growth and success of every organization depends upon the efficient employees. And in staffing function, more importance is given on human resources or workforce rather than other resources. The need of staffing arises since the initial period of organization due to promotion, transfer, business expansion, retirement, resignation, accidents, death of employees, etc. Vacancies are created in organization. Here, in an organization, there is a constant need of appointing employees due to various reasons like promotion, transfer, accidents, death of employee, etc. So, this staffing function is continuous in nature. As long as the organization exists, there is a need of an appointment of an employee for various positions. Staffing is one of the very important tasks of an organization because right person at right job with right pay This basic principles is to be followed by every organization. Let us study the definitions of staffing. First definition, according to Theo Hammond, the staffing function pertains to the recruitment, selection, development, training, and compensation of subordinate managers. In simple words, the main goal of staffing is to fill the various roles within the company with suitable candidates. Staffing function is related to finding new people for various positions, selecting of an employees based on their qualification, development of an employee by giving them training and give them compensation if required in case of loss or any damage. Second definition, according to Luther Gulick, staffing is the whole personnel function of bringing in and training the staff and maintaining favorable conditions of work. This definition says that the organization deals with employees, bring them in organization, gives them training if required, and maintains favorable working condition and healthy atmosphere at workplace. Next definition, according to S. Benjamin, staffing is the process involved in identifying, assessing, placing, evaluating, and directing individuals at work. Here, in the process of staffing, employees are identified or selected the right one as per the required position. Their performance is to be evaluated or judged by the organization, and they are given direction or guidance at workplace. So dear students, in this video we have studied meaning and definition of staffing. I hope you are clear with it. So do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos. And in the next video we will study importance of staffing. Thank you for watching and stay connected with SVP class for more videos.